When model elements block your view, you can hide them easily. To hide one or more elements, just highlight them. Raise the quad and left-click Hide Entities. The opposite of hiding an element is isolating it. Highlighting one or more entities and selecting Isolate Entities from the quad will hide all the non-highlighted elements in your model. Hiding and isolating are temporary functions that you can use to simplify your model while working on it. When you want to see all the elements in your model, just raise the No Selection quad and left-click Show Entities.